Hey friends, let's see today's current affair. The topic is moderate resolution imaging spectroradiometer. In a short, you can say MRIS. Analyzed by scientists. तो साइंटिस्ट ने इसे एनालाइज किया है बाय MRIS. Said that, तो साइंटिस्ट ने क्या कहा? Climate change has altered the color of 56% of the world oceans. Due to an increase or decline in the population will impact organisms that feed on plankton. तो plankton क्या है? The very small forms of plant and animals life that live in seas, rivers, lakes, etc. Right? Let's see another one. Sagar Sampark. So it is an indigenous differential global navigation satellite system. In a short, you can say DGNSS. It's able to transmit corrections of GPS and GLONASS. The system will provide accurate information to the ships for safe navigation and will reduce the risk of collision. तो collision को risk करने के लिए इसे बनाया गया है सागर संपर्क को. Next हमारा floating gold. A massive chunk of floating gold was recently found in the belly of dead whale beach on Spanish island of La Palma. Let's see another topic. Second editions of the Social Trailblazer program. Program aimed to nurture the evolving ecosystem of India social enterprises. Goal क्या है इसका? To promote the social enterprise program, to promote the development of social enterprises and social investment, to help address entrenched social and environmental problems. Right? Next and last, Muslim World League President Draupadi Murmu had a meeting with the Secretary General of the Muslim World League at Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi. Thank you. Keep watching my videos and keep learning.